Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julissa Urban and I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my daughter's hair. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, but I'm back now and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I started off with showering her. Her hair is very clean now. I use shampoo, conditioner, and I added some oil to her hair. The oil is by Olaplex and I honestly think that it's been helping both our hairs very much. Here I'm trying to show you guys some split ends that she has. They're just a little bit, not a lot, but they don't look that nice, so I did try to cut it off. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can. So now that her hair is nicely brushed, I am sectioning her hair. I parted it out on the sides towards where her ears are at. And then here you guys can see what I did. I clipped it so it doesn't get in my way. And then I started off by only doing section by section. And I started off with the bottom and then clipped the rest away. And then as you can see, I'm going to be using this as my guide, and I'm going to have her put her head down a bit, if that makes sense, just so that I can have a nice clean cut. And I'm not going to be cutting much, just mainly. So I'm going to start off by sectioning in the middle, and that's going to be my first cut. And as you guys can see, her hair is a little bit wavy, not a lot, but mainly the ends are. So I'm going to have her bend her head, and then I'm just going to be cutting that off. And there you go, that's my first cut, and that's going to be my guide. And now I'm going to be using that guide to cut the rest of her hair. Now that I'm done with this bottom section, I'm going to be wetting her hair just to make sure that her hair is nice and straight. And here I am combing it, and it looks about right. Now that I'm done with the back, I'm going to be sectioning the front side, which is the little bit of hair that I have left. And this is just how I do it. I don't specialize in cutting hair. I don't enjoy cutting hair because I don't really know how. But I just, I just do whatever I do, whatever works for me. And then here I'm just making sure that everything is nice and straight. And as you can see, her front pieces are a bit shorter. And I think she's always had them like that. I didn't like cut them short or anything. That's just how her hair is, I guess. I've never really gave her a big cut. So I'm just cutting off the ends, just a little bit of it. And then here, she just moves a lot, so yeah. So now I just had her turn around and I'm trying to get her to, stay still. And then I'm just going to grab the front pieces and make sure that they are the same length, just so that one side isn't longer than the other. So that's what I'm just trying to do here. So as you guys can see, the front pieces do look pretty straight. They look pretty even. So now she's just asking to vacuum the little hairs off. And as you can see there, it wasn't a lot of hair. It was literally just the ends. So then she's just doing that. And then that's the finished product. And here I just added a little bit of oil. And I used the Olaplex oil. It's just a little bit that I use. And then I just work it through her hair, mainly on the ends. And then whatever I have left, just, on the top. And that's what makes her hair really nice and shiny and soft. And ever since I switched to using better hair products, for example, the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, and the oil, I feel like it's made a really big change in her hair. It doesn't get tangled, like it hardly ever gets tangled. But as you guys can see, her hair is running very nice and it's very smooth. And there's no tangles. And just, I think it looks very nice the way it is. And it's very shiny, as you guys can see. So as you guys can see, this is the final product, the final result. I love the way her hair turned out. It's nice. The split ends are gone, and it's just now really nice, shiny, soft. And this is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be uploading more videos, so please stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.